xTool P2, the ultimate CO2 laser cutter to bring your creativity efficiency to a new level. It's super smart, powerful, and fast. With the 55-watt CO2 laser, xTool P2 can cut 20mm transparent acrylic in one pass and enables you to create customized home decor and furniture that lights up your home. Two built-in 16MP cameras bring amazing intelligence to this machine. Easily drag your drawings to the right place you want and fill patterns on multiple objects in one batch. This largely boosts your business productivity in the busy season. Not only for flat objects, it also engraves on items with curved surfaces. With automatic surface scanning, 3D model building, and focal length adjusting, it makes engraving on curved surfaces as easy as on flat ones. It's fast and accurate. High motion accuracy always guarantees an ultra-fine result. With an enlarged bed size, it fits larger materials and can create larger projects. Want it even larger? You got it. The new Passthrough feature and Conveyor feeder make extra long material engraving automatic and extra easy. Here's our new riser base. It raises the machine and increases the inner height to 215mm, which perfectly suits a suitcase. Oh, and our rotary engraving accessory? It brings your creative designs to tumblers, mugs, spheres, and even rings. And again, it fits perfectly with your riser base. It's safe and easy to use. Everyone can master it in minutes and make their own creation. xTool P2 has a built-in air exhaust system. The smoke produced from laser cutting can be well exhausted. With smoke purifier, you can use it indoors without safety concerns. This is xTool P2. Super smart, powerful, and fast.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to xTool YouTube Live. This is Kai.
Hi, guys. This is Twiggy.
Yes, welcome to our live stream. If you're new here, please we just like to know this is our live tutorial for the laser machines. So we're gonna do a couple of projects and use laser cut, laser engrave some amazing DIY gift for our friends or for the festivals.
Yeah, exactly. And for those of you who are just joining our live stream, or if you have previously watched our live stream last week, then you know we launched a very, very exciting CO2 machine, which is our xTool P2,
yes.
right? So for those of you who already paid the deposit of $100, you can still enjoy $1,000 off. You can pay the deposit until the 18th of April, okay?
Wow.
So you still have a couple of days, to still enjoy this huge discount, because after you're, already paid the $100 deposit, and then you can enjoy P2, the final payment at $3,800. And if you, happen to miss that $100 deposit, that's okay. You can also enjoy the best price ever for P2 in our live stream room, which is $4,199.
So which is like $800 off, right?
Yeah, exactly. So this is such a huge discount. Go ahead and take your chances and grab this opportunity.
Yeah, we all know the CO2 laser machine is the most expensive one among the whole laser world. So I know maybe sometimes people say, oh, my budget is not really it's not really rich, not kind of limited. So don't worry about that, because we have a firm plan. So if you can get your machine first and pay later. So we have the different plans. So if you if you purchase between $150 to $699, you can enjoy 3 months for interest-free. And if you purchase between $700 to $1,699, you can enjoy 6 months interest-free. So if you purchase more than $1,700, for example, this amazing P2 machine is already maybe double times of $1,700. So you can split all the bill to 18 months, which means you just pay around maybe $200.
$200 per month.
For 18 months, yeah. Or if you choose 12 months payment, you can just pay maybe around $300 per month for a year. So that's a very great deal for you.
Yeah, exactly. Because we all know people like to use CO2 machine because it's such an expensive machine, I would say. To start a side business, right? So if you use a firm plan, it could really help you to kickstart your business without paying too much in advance, right? So this is such a good deal for you. And we also have a site-wide sale that is going on right now, which is called spring sale. I don't know, we actually purchase a lot of stuff in springtime. So you have a site-wide discount, so you can use it on all machines, accessories, and material. Well, except P2 because P2 is already on a big discount right now, right? But you can use our other machine like D1 Pro, M1,
F1. I'm not sure F1. Maybe
F1 too. But yeah, not just except P2 because we already have a huge discount right now. So you can save up to $1,380.
That's a lot of money to be saved.
Yeah, exactly. Save up to that much money, and also you can grab an SVG file when you buy machines or like accessories, etc.
Yeah, this spring sale gonna last maybe around 1 week, right? Or maybe 8 days, something like that. So to grab the chance as soon as possible to buy the machines you love. All right. And we also have like a special deal for this amazing accessory for this P2 machine. It's called automatic conveyor feeder. So which means you can engrave or cut some really long, up to 3 meters material. And this one is the basic one. Okay. So the basic one, the price will be like $459. So it's called automatic conveyor feeder. All right. So please check out the information in the link and you just check out the detail. How does it work with P2 machine and enjoy the special deals.
Yeah, this one has 2 different type of like sizes. One is 39 inches, one is 90 inches. So you can choose up to, depending on how long your project is going to be or how big your room is, you can choose different automatic conveyor feeder for P2. And we also have amazing acrylic for you guys that comes out together with our P2 machine, because a lot of you guys has been questioning, can P2 cut acrylic? Transparent acrylic. This acrylic, that acrylic. Yes, we do. So and also we come up with the acrylic material for you guys to enjoy the tons of possibility that you can create with acrylic and also our P2 machine. So this bundle that you can also enjoy, at $20.99, which is such a good deal as well.
Yeah, I saw the comments, people like question about RE2 Pro. So yes, RE2 Pro is perfectly matched with this amazing P2 machine. So the price will be $269, which means you can enjoy $30 off. And RE2 Pro like match every single laser machine from xTool, but maybe with different cables. So just make sure if you already have xTool, just check with our customer service and if your cable is suitable for P2. And if not, we're gonna give you the cable free. But if you haven't bought this amazing RE2 Pro, I suggest you to buy this one because it's the first 4-in-1 rotary in the world, and you can just engrave on the cylindrical objects, for example, the Christmas balls and all the maybe the glasses, the wine glasses. So there's a lot of things you can engrave with this amazing RE2 Pro.
Some people are asking about like the shipping time of P2. Actually, since in the last live stream we talked about that, actually P2 is going to start to ship this week, right?
Yes.
So the person who paid, the full price first, gonna get the P2 machine first, and you can get as early as the middle of May. Okay, so make sure that you go ahead and pay the deposit because you can be the earliest people to enjoy the amazing machine P2. And about some other updates about Lightburn, we're still working on it, and we'll let you know about more details. But so far, you can use our xTool creative space for using the preview function and the autofocus as well. But for the other 2 functions with Lightburn, we're still waiting on more updates. We'll let you guys know in the near future. Yeah,
great. And today, as a tradition, so if you never watch our live stream, we always have the giveaway every Wednesday here. So today we give you 3 rounds of lucky draw. The first round we're gonna give you the amazing acrylic we just mentioned. It's like worth $29. And the second round we're gonna give you the amazing RE2 Pro. So that worth like around $300. And what's the biggest prize today, Twiggy?
The biggest prize is the automatic conveyor feeder for P2, which worth $459. Okay. Because I think when it comes to the function of P2, people are so fascinated by this like auto pass-through function. So the automatic conveyor feeder is a must-have if you want to use that kind of function. And we also have some other amazing function which we're going to show you later in our live stream room.
Yeah, because this one is like automatic, so it's not like you manually adjust everything or put everything because sometimes it's not very accurate or precise. But this one, you just put your material there and they can automatically pass through the machine and make a really long, amazing engraving effects.
Yeah, and then without further ado, let's get into creating some fun project with home decoration, right?
Yes.
Because with the P2, this automatic conveyor feeder function, and we also have the curved surface engraving, and we also have so many amazing, like the preview, the autofocus, and we have the
dual camera.
Exactly. So with so many amazing functions of P2, you can literally create like bigger project. Like I would think about like furnitures and you know, a lot of amazing stuff, and also like acrylics, right? You can make a beautiful acrylic. Actually, we have a thing here yesterday that we made it kind of like a finisher.
Fall off, yeah.
Yeah, it's already fallen to the ground, but we had cut so many different kind of like acrylic. But later we'll show you guys a video about it, and you can also see right here we have another amazing acrylic home decoration. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this fun project creating, and also you can find this file later. We're gonna upload to our xTool Creative Space software, and you can find that in the project center. So if you want to create some fun project with that, you can go ahead and do that.
Yes, and welcome to join our community. We have a community on our website. You just click the community and go inside, and there's so many amazing projects. Our xTool makers, our users, our customers, they share their ideas. They post their really favorite, amazing like gifts or some projects, so you can learn from them as well. And today we're gonna have 3 rounds of Lucky Draw, 3 rounds of project as well. So the first round, we're gonna do some amazing acrylic decoration, some with the like a tableware mat.
Tableware mat.
Yeah, that made of the mat, the felt, the material felt. And the first one, I'm gonna teach you how to laser engrave on the ordinary wine box, but to make it very special and personalized. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's go start it. Yes.
Let's go ahead and start this.
So turn on the machine.
Right.
And so close up maybe. Yeah. So this is the very ordinary like box. So we did a test yesterday, so it's really fine. But I'm gonna show you later. So just the wine box. So we're gonna laser engrave on the surface. So for example, for the anniversary, the wedding anniversary, or a housewarming party, or anything celebration, you can just bring wine or red wine to your friend's party and to engrave some special patterns, special words. So the first one is this one. Okay. So firstly, we're gonna open the lid of the P2. It's really beautiful, isn't it? All right.
Yeah. It's such an elegant.
Still the acrylics.
Oh, yeah, because yesterday we cut the acrylic and be like.
So this is our slats, okay? This slats. With this kind of material, this wine box, we don't really need the slats, so we just take them off. And we just simply put inside. Yeah, just make sure it's flat enough. Yeah, just right in the middle. So it's just as easy as you see. And close the lid. And let's move over to our software. All right, so sorry, so because last night I did some tests, so for this kind of object, it's too high, right? We need to like change the height of this resin base. This is base plate, okay? So we just take it out. All right, so you will see this different index right here. So for the different height of the object, you need to adjust the base plate, all right, to suit this this amazing machine. So for this one, we just put it down there. This place, yes. So right, great. So we just put here, okay, and that's it. And yeah, so just change the base plate every time due to the different height of your object, all right? So just put right here. There you go. You see the red spot right here, right? That's gonna help us to set the focus. And yeah, we just close the lid. And let's move over to our software. So firstly, you need to connect your amazing xTool P2 CO2 Laser Machine and refresh it. We have a dual camera system inside. That means there's 2 cameras inside. The first one is right in the middle, like this area. The other one is here. It's help you to capture the close view, all right? So firstly, you're gonna choose the open plane. But for other object laser engraving, you're gonna choose flat, okay? Because you're gonna put slats inside. Or for the RH2 Pro, you're gonna choose laser in cylindrical. For the conveyor feeder, you're gonna choose this one. And for the curve server, you're gonna choose this one, all right? So both this one, just normal one, you just choose open plane. And firstly, you want to capture the close view because the camera right in the middle, maybe it's not too accurate. That's why we add on another close camera, all right? Close-up camera. So let's click here. And we wanna capture right here to see the focus, all right? Yeah. I think maybe a little bit to the right. Let's do it again. Make sure, because now we're gonna make sure which area we're gonna laser engrave. We want to engrave right in the middle of this wine box. Okay, maybe right here. There you go. I think it's quite all right. And the second step you're gonna do is to do the auto measure function. So you're gonna set the focus. So firstly, you make sure the area where you're gonna engrave, and secondly, the machine gonna automatically set up the focus. But you need to tell the machine which spot you're gonna set up the focus. So we're gonna do this step. We're gonna click here, and we just simply click anywhere in the area where you wanna engrave. Okay, right in the middle. It's already done, right? Let's do it again. So click here. It's already succeed. Let's do it again. Let's click here and click right in the middle. Just wait for a few seconds and auto measure succeeds. So the machine already automatically set up for the focus. So everything is kind of ready. The next step we're gonna drag the pattern to the middle of this area. All right, let's just make sure it's right in the middle, okay? So you see the little, they call grate or some boxes. So you just make sure how many of them and make it equal. Yeah, I think it's quite all right. Okay. 5. This is 10, 11. This is 5. This is 5. Oh, maybe a little bit too. Okay. Yes. Just drag the pattern. Right. And right. I think it's quite all right. Okay, that's good. So we're gonna set the power at 60%, and we're gonna run it at speed of 200 millimeters for only one pass. It's already set up. We're gonna choose the score, not the engrave, not the cut. Okay, and this is manually setting. Okay, so you can also choose like the toothpick. We also engraved the toothpick last time. All right, so everything's set up. We're gonna hit the process. And we're gonna hit the processor again. And yeah, push the button right here. And the machine gonna start working.
This is my favorite part.
Yeah, you see, wow, it's very fine, right?
Yeah. And don't forget, because the laser head had a built-in air assist.
Yes.
So it will ensure that the final results will come up beautifully, right? So yeah, I really like to see this process. I wish we had an inner camera for that.
Yes. So, there's no built-in camera there?
Yeah, this time for now, but it's okay. It's gonna take you like 4 or 5 minutes for it to have a fine engraving. I don't know if you guys can still hear us because well, let's have some noise.
That's normal for the CO2 laser machine.
Yes.
So speaking of this amazing P2 CO2 machine, it's the first, it's the strongest and smart and a desktop and CO2 laser machine in the world, right?
Yeah, that's our title for our P2 CO2 machine because we have 55 watts.
55 watts, and we also have like a dual camera system to have you better set up the focus, to have a close-up view as well, and it's like 16 megapixel, so it's very, very clear resolution.
Yeah, and I think a lot of guys are been asking in our comment sections like, why can I use the a firm plan interest free?
Yes.
I mean, it really depends on your credit score or like the whole thing's about. I mean, a firm company has their own way to assess.
They have some standard. They have to meet their standard.
Yeah, have their way to assess your credit score or like all the history that you have.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that you have a bad history about credit. That if you can use the zero interest free, but it really depends on how they assess your credit score.
Yeah. Like if you're really qualified, of course you're gonna enjoy the zero interest free. But maybe your credit score is not really high, so I'm sorry for that. You can't really have the zero interest. but it's really up to your credit like score. Yeah.
Yeah, and a lot of people asking about the building air assist, right? Actually, later we can show you.
Yeah.
So we have a slacked lid for our laser module. So inside that laser module, there's a building air assist.
Yes.
Which can help you have a very beautiful and clean cut, okay? And also we have an exhaust fan right here to exhaust all the smoke and smell from it. And we are also using an external smoke purifier for you to extract all the smokes and the smell from it. And yesterday we were literally cutting acrylic. Once we use the extracted fan and also our smoke purifier, it doesn't have any smell because when you're cutting acrylic, the smell can be a little bit funny.
Yeah, now it's very good. Like we don't smell anything, just a little bit louder, but that's normal for the CO2 laser machine.
And actually, we did tests in our laboratory.
Yeah.
Our P2 CO2 laser machine is actually 2 times quieter than other CO2 machine in the market. So if you have used other CO2 machine before, it's gonna be
louder than this one.
You probably can't really hear us, right? So we have done tests before. So our CO2 machine is 2 times quieter than other CO2 laser machines. So don't worry about that.
Yeah, and for the special deal, so if you paid the deposit before, you only pay another $3,899 to enjoy totally $1,000 off to enjoy this amazing CO2 laser machine. But if you never paid the deposit before, you didn't know that, you are new here, you're really interested to buy this one, you can just enjoy $800 off. So still very, very good deal for the early bird price, okay? Because after maybe 1 month or something, our price will go back to the original price, which is like $4,999. That's a lot of money to pay.
Yeah, exactly. So we also have a site-wide, discount for you guys to enjoy that right now. Except P2 because as I talked about, P2 is already on a huge discount. Okay, so if you compare to other CO2 machine, laser machine in the market, at least cost you, and they have less power than us, and they at least cost you $5,000 or $6,000. First of all, our original price is $4,099, right? And after you pay the deposit, you can enjoy a final payment at $3,899. And if you didn't get to pay the deposit, it's $4,199. And right now we have a site-wide, spring sale discount that you can enjoy, all the discount on all the accessories, machines and material.
Except P2.
Yeah, and you can save up to $1,380. And also you can grab an SVG file when you buy our machines and accessories and material and anything like that.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, the first project is finished. Let's check out the result.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just bring my wine.
Wow, it has such a fine engraving. Look at that.
Yeah, look at this. So this result maybe a little bit too light because sometimes the wood, different size of the wood, maybe the material is a little bit different.
You can show them the other side.
So it's like still like happy anniversary. Make this ordinary wine box very special. And so this is the side we just did like right now, right? And we did yesterday. You can actually tell the different surface of these 2 sides. So both these sides is really amazing. It's very deep, and the color is really fine, really like shining. So happy anniversary! So you can just use this one to bring to your friend's house and to bring this wine.
Actually, the wine we bought is a little bit.
But this one is too big. So anyway, like we are not really the red wine lovers, but for you, maybe you like it. So you just put it inside and as a gift to your friend's party. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much the first project. That's
How do you guys like it? Let us know in the comment section what you think about it.
Maybe actually this kind of version of the pattern is better for you because it's quite light. It's different vibe, I guess. This one is really like normal, I guess. But this one maybe a little bit like different. I don't know. So it depends what you want, right? So just do some tests because different piece of wood gonna show the different results.
Yeah, and also people are asking about like, can you engrave on the bottle? Yes, of course we can.
The glass, right?
Yeah, the glass and the bottle. Yes, of course can. With the R82 Pro, you can engrave on cylindrical products, and with this a size this big kind of like wine, I think you can put in there. Yeah. And all you have to do is adjust the height of the base plate because depending on different project that you're working on.
Yeah.
And together working with our R82 Pro because R82 Pro is you can use D1 Pro, you can use M1, you can use on F1, and also you can use with our P2 machine. It really depends on what kind of machine that you're using. It just have a different adapters.
Yeah, and some people say maybe it went too fast, maybe the speed is too fast. Yeah, maybe. So actually the setup is the same, like the same as our last night test, but maybe I think it's the different piece of the wood.
Yeah, because I mean, obviously you can see this piece of wood is like a lot of like flatter, but on this side, it has a lot of different type of textures about it.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, it really depends on what kind of material that you're working with.
But you can try different speed. You just do some tests until you find the perfect parameters to make it the most amazing gift for your friends. Yes.
Yeah, and let's without further ado get into our first round
lucky
draw, which you can win the acrylic material. And if you guys can you guys guess what's the keyword? Because you guys already know us really, really well. Like last time we didn't even see our keyword. You guys be typing crazy in our comment section. So can you guess? What is the exactly acrylic. There we go.
Yeah, okay.
Our audience know us so well.
Yeah.
So let's round the acrylic in the comment section, and we'll pick one lucky winner to win our amazing, like we have pastel acrylic, we have the transparent acrylic,
one,
we have so many different types of acrylic.
Yeah. And this is a new type of our acrylic. It's not the earlier one.
Yeah. Wow, we have 300 people watching our live right now.
That's quite a lot of people for like a normal live stream, right?
Normal live stream. Regular. I always say regular.
Yeah, not the new product launch or some special festival.
Yeah, exactly.
So thank you guys for watching our live stream. Yeah.
You want to go ahead?
Yeah, we're gonna do the first round lucky draw.
So keep running acrylic in our comment sections. How many people would have right now though?
So we have 300 and now it's like 186. So let's see, maybe we can hit like 250. Okay, we need 50 people to join us. Please share this link to our friends and to ask them to join our laser live tutorial. So we're gonna teach you like how to laser engrave, how to laser cut on some amazing object to make some special, customized, personalized gift for our friends for the festival, such as like Christmas or Easter. Yes, and we need 30 people to join us, guys. Please share the link with your friends. And we do this live stream every Wednesday night around maybe 6 p.m. in the PST time in the States, but maybe 11 a.m. in Australia or from Europe. But yeah, too late for Europe. But we sometime, like once for a while, we have a live stream for the European audiences as well. So please stay tuned with us. And we need 20 people to join us for this amazing acrylic. So everyone is curious about acrylic because our other laser machines can only cut or engrave on some like a opaque, really deep color red or orange or the dark color acrylic. But they can't really cut through some like really clear or transparent or even the translucent one. But our xTool P2 can cut all through all different kinds of acrylic. So that's the one of the most amazing things about this amazing machine. All right, we need 10 people to join us, guys. Please, acrylic. Come on, just tap once is enough because if you tap that like many times, that doesn't really count. The software just pick up once. Okay, guys. Okay, we need 7 people to join us for the first one lucky draw. And every time we do, we finish one project, we're gonna do a lucky draw. So please stay tuned to the end with us because we're gonna give you the biggest prize for the conveyor feeder, the accessory for the amazing P2. All right, we need 3 people to join us. Acrylic, the best materials our xTool makers loved. Okay, guys, we need 1 more person to join us. Okay. Okay, we're waiting for you. Okay, let's draw. Who is the lucky person? Who is the lucky person? Who is the chosen one? Who is the chosen one, guys? Who's gonna win the acrylic? All right. Oh, okay. Congratulations. I think it's called Carly. Okay, congratulations, Carly.
Congratulations on winning the amazing acrylic material bundle.
Yes, please just contact us on Facebook Messenger xTool. Just search xTool and send us a message, and we're gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Sometimes we have so many messages, so if they don't really reply you as really soon, please wait for a little bit, and we're gonna give you this amazing acrylic to your home.
Yeah, and don't forget you can pay the final payment of our P2 until the 18th of April. Okay?
Only like 7 days.
Yeah.
5 days to go.
Yeah, you can still enjoy the price, the final payment at $3,899.
Yes.
And if you happen to miss the chance to pay the $100 deposit, you can still enjoy the best price ever. You can enjoy $800 off on our P2 machine, which the final price will be $4,199.
Wow, sounds great.
Yeah,
All
and also
right.
don't forget we have a site-wide spring sale.
Spring sale, yeah. So we have like up to like $1,300 for M1, for F1, for the X2, D1 Pro, and also other accessories and materials as well. But except the P2 because we already give you a really huge discount.
Exactly.
So and this spring sale only lasts around until 20th, I guess. So only like 7 days to go. So please grab the chance as soon as possible to purchase the machine you want.
Yeah, exactly. And don't forget, if you are the first one to pay, final payment for P2, and you can be the earliest people to receive our P2 in the middle of May. Okay, go ahead and grab the chances. What?
They can't really. Okay, hello.
Is it okay now?
No video. Okay, how about now?
How about now?
Okay.
Hi guys.
Can you see, guys? Can you see us right now?
Black screen.
The black.
But okay, can you guys hear us?
No Twiggy.
No Twiggy. Okay.
It's not okay. It's not okay. 还不行吗?
There's sound, but there's no like. Is it
Only
because
sound.
Is it because the adapter? 对，只有声音没有。你看一下那个。
All right, so please just give us a few minutes. We're gonna fix the problems, but you can still hear us, right? All right, let's talk about something else. What's your plan? Okay, so the May holiday, right, is coming very soon, right? Do you guys do the May holiday as well?
I don't think so.
It's like an international Labor Day, I think. So I guess
but it's like for every country though.
I think for the States for sure, for some European countries as well, because I literally talked this about with my friends. But yeah, we're fixing the problem. Yeah, we are fixing the problem, guys.
是不是有可能是相机的连接的问题?
Okay, right. So yeah, so what's the plan for the May holiday?
I have no plan yet. I was want to go to Xinjiang, but like I didn't.
Yeah. Oh, you've been there like early in.
But you know, the north of Xinjiang and
it's a huge place, right?
It's a different place, and also when you, I see
back.
myself as. My hair is different today.
Yeah, we are back. All right. Sorry for all the inconvenience, but we are finally back. And yeah, thank you for your patience to wait for us. And that happens sometimes.
Yeah, they found the light switch.
What? The light switch? Yeah.
The light switch because we turn off. So it's like all black.
Probably. We just want to hide for somewhere for a little bit. Yeah.
It's like remember last time we did for the Halloween? Like we did the opening was all like black and kind of like atmosphere.
Yeah, we dressed like a ghost or whatever. Yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah, from time to time we're gonna surprise you guys a little bit. Yeah,
this is also a surprise.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. And also, we're gonna do our second round of like project, which we're gonna
leave us. Please don't ever leave me again. Sorry, we will never leave you. We'll be here all the time.
Yeah, every week. Okay, so we'll be here every Wednesday for our xTool makers. Yeah. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into our second round of project, which we're gonna cut amazing like a tableware mat for because you can customize the tableware for if you have a birthday dinner or like anniversary dinner or like anything like that. So let's do our second rounds of project with this amazing felt material. Okay, now let's get into this.
Right.
Well, first of all, so we'll need to adjust the height.
Also the slats.
Yes, exactly. So first of all, so let's take the base plate into the highest. There we go. Now that's the thing, and we need to put the slats on it. Okay, so here's how you do it. You press it like that, and this go. Okay, there we go. It's matching. Okay, good. And there we go. Nice. And you can give some distance in between them. So this is 1, 2. Okay, there we go. So maybe we will have 2 more. Just because we have a beak. There we go. 1 more on this side, maybe. There we go. You can put as many slats as you want. Okay, and now let's put acrylic on top of them. And people has been asking about how do you measure the distance if you don't have the red dot? Yes, we do have that. Okay, So now let's just one more thing, and let me just show you guys in here. So before I talked about there's a select lid for that one, and here is the built-in air assist that you can use during the lasering process. You will really ensure your final fine engraving and cutting results. Okay. And now let's put the back on because it's like magnetic right here. Okay, so let's put this back on. It's slack down. There we go. And now let's close the lid. We have xTool, and let's put this back, and let's go back to our software. Okay, now here is the second project. So first you want to refresh. There we go. Now you see everything on our software right here. Okay, and then you can choose this, and you can move this around. Make sure that you place this right. Let's. I think that's the right size, right? Okay. Okay, let's go up a little bit. Yeah. Think how about that? Good? I think it's good. Okay. Actually, let's move to the center a little bit. Okay, now let's go ahead. We're going to measure the, okay, I think the thickness is okay. And you're going to choose flat for this. And let's go to process. And let's go ahead and hit process one more time. And once you hit that beeping sound, it means the machine is ready to process this. And let's go ahead and press start. And here we go. I'm like really, I think it looks great. Look at all the fine cutting of the material right here. Okay, I think it looks great.
Yeah, right. Because some people, because some people just ask us like, can we use i2 Pro without the razor base? So the answer is yes. You don't have to buy the razor base for the i2 Pro, but it depends how large of your material, how large of your object. So up to you. So if you want to engrave, laser engrave on a really large like object, so you have to use the razor base, but for the smaller maybe not. So yeah.
Yeah, since the laser head cover is magnetic, it will be easier to clean. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so for this special deal, please just click the link to check all the details. We have the curve service engraving function. We have a dual camera system. We can also engrave a really long material up to 3 meters and this amazing P2 machines. So if you pay the deposit before, you can enjoy $1,000 off, pay the final payment until 18. But if you never paid the deposit earlier and if you are still interested to buy this machine, please just click the link, enjoy the $800 off, which is $4,199, and the original price up to like around $5,000. So that's a lot of money to save.
Exactly, and I do have to say, because the last live stream, we did such a successful live stream, right?
Yeah,
like so many people are like, like crazy about this machine. Actually, so many people actually pay the final payment.
Yes.
And we are so bummed to see you guys have such a high interest. And just like so many enthusiasm about the CO2 laser machine. Because people were saying maybe a little bit expensive for our user, but with amazing upfront plan, interest free, and also with so many amazing deal and the bundle that we have, you can enjoy in the endless possibility and the function of our xTool P2 CO2 laser machine.
Yeah, exactly. For the price, maybe okay, you see the price is like around maybe 4,000 or 5,000. That's a lot of money for laser machine. But if you compare it to other brands about this CO2 laser machine, xTool CO2 laser machine P2 is actually a little bit cheaper than other brands. So I think it depends what you want. If you are really CO2 laser machine lovers, this one is really great deal for you. But if you never really know anything about CO2 laser machine, you probably feel like, oh, that's very expensive. It's more expensive than any other laser machines from xTool. But it depends what you want.
Yeah, exactly. And I do have to say, a lot of times when I mention other brands, people would type the other brand's name in the comment section. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to cause any trouble. But we have done our test in our laboratory.
Yeah.
So first of all, we have the strongest power for the smart desktop CO2 laser machine. So that's the first fact. And second, we're 2 times quieter than the other CO2 laser machine in the market. Okay.
Yes.
And also, we have so many amazing, unique functions. The world's first function, because my other, CO2 machine might have pass-through, but they don't have automatic pass-through.
Yeah.
That's the first thing. And second, for the curved surface engraving,
We are the first one.
we also invented this like auto-focusing and
We are the strobe laser.
measuring the different, height between the laser head and the curved surface, and that's how we mimic and simulate the, curved surface, and that's how you can engrave on curved surface was no problem.
Yeah.
And also, we have so many other words first, right? Our RE2 Pro is also the first words 4-in-1 rotary as well.
Attachment. Yeah.
So yeah, exactly. Our xTool like to, because Jason, not only he is the CEO of xTool, but he is also the head project manager of our brand. So he really likes to push to the limits and really ask our engineer what else can we do in one single machine, right?
Yeah.
So for example, M1 has the first words, the laser head and the blade head together, and then with the P2 you have so many amazing functions all together in one, which is such amazing.
Yeah, exactly. We want to be the first. So for everything, we just want to provide the best product for you. So we want to be the trailblazer. So please just go with us and select all the different laser machines or materials you want and enjoy the special deal. Currently, we have this amazing spring sale, so up to $1,300 off. So you can have this price like maybe on M1, D1 Pro, and F1, all the other accessories for them and the materials as well. And this special spring sale gonna last maybe around maybe 1 week. So please grab the chance. And so just click all the links in the description and check all the details. We also have so many live tutorials on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for many gift making or how-to video to learn from us.
Yeah, and then maybe in 2 weeks we'll come up with some other how-to video teaching
about P2.
how to make some very fun home decoration.
Yeah, exactly. Stay tuned.
Right. Yes, definitely stay tuned. So let's go ahead and check the final results. Okay, now let's open this up. Ooh, you guys can see it's already being cutting through, but so there we go. It's very easy for you to take it off. It has some very fine. We're not gonna go through this to push every single, but it's very easy for you to do that. As you can see, it has been cut through. I just want to show you, but we have a final results right here. So this is what we did last night. We have done the test, and this is another one. But as you can see, it's very easy for you to take all this excess off, right? It's very easy. There it has been cut through completely. There we go. There we go. All the fine detail. But this is the final product. This is the final one, and this is one we have just cut, and this is the final one, right? You can really make some themed like weddings, like dinners, right? For example, like wedding, anniversaries, happy birthday. And this is for our spring sale. So we made especially for our spring sale, theme. So you really use this tableware. And if you cut 2 lines in between this, this image right here, you can also be a utensil holder for your tableware. So it's really it's just like fantastic. Look at all the details and look at how amazing P2 can cut through, right? So yeah, it just takes some time for you to get the excess off, but right now this is the final results. Yes, let me know what you guys think about this final results of this cutting mat right here.
Okay, so yeah, this is a front access.
Where do you buy the file? On our website. And also right now we have a spring sale, which you can enjoy on all our accessories and materials, and plus machine, except P2.
Yeah, and this is also a front access. How can I get the best price for P2? So if you ask this question, I assume maybe you didn't pay the deposit.
Yes.
But you still can enjoy $800 off. What you can do is very easy. You just click the link and pay the money. That's it. There's no coupon code. There's nothing else you should do. Just follow the step and finish the payment and can enjoy $800 off.
Yeah, if you are the earliest people who pay the final payment of our P2,
yeah,
or the price of $4,199, you can be the earliest people to receive as early as the middle of May, okay?
Yes.
Which is actually quite fast.
Yeah, just like 1 month because we're gonna ship from China to the States. So it's gonna take a little bit, but still very fast.
Okay, so is it actually, yeah, so our fire safety set is also compatible with our P2. We can't really see from that, but last time live stream, Jason was the cameraman and he really showed us the adapter for our fire safety set. It's in behind this adapter right here. Also, we have another one is for the this one is for, I kind of forget. Is it for R82 Pro?
I don't know. Maybe there's a few like a
few adapters.
So you can that's the hose. So you can just check it out every detail. If you have some questions, just reach out to our customer service. We're gonna figure out. Okay.
Yeah, and our second round of lucky draw will actually be the R82 Pro. And you guys can guess what's the keyword. And go ahead and spamming us in the comment section.
Yeah, exactly. So
it's actually short, so don't type the whole thing. Okay.
How heavy?
I haven't seen. I think it's 45 kilograms.
45 kilograms.
Yeah, 45 kilograms.
That's quite heavy. Yeah, it's like a person.
I mean, obviously, like it's CO2. Actually, it's not. It's heavier than me.
It's 45 kilo. Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, okay. Around my weight. So you're carrying a Twiggy around.
I didn't mean to ask that. But
It's okay.
Yeah. Anyway, so RH Pro. Let's join. You want to go there to check out the lucky draw? Yeah. Yeah. Share the link with your friends to watch our live stream. Sorry.
Okay, so right now we have 306 people watching. So let's see the live.
People.
We have 88 people joining our lucky draw right now. So let's try to get 250, I would say.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. R82 in the comment section, which was $259.
Yeah, $299.
Yeah, $299. Yes. Okay. R82 in the comment section, guys. Let's go. 182. Okay.
Yes.
So we have 70 people to go, guys. Come on, RA2. Make sure to share this live stream with all your friends and family, and people are interested in CO2 laser machine because it's such a powerful machine, right?
Yeah. Share the links with your friend to watch our live stream. We have this
199 people. Okay, come on, guys. We need 50 people to go. Oh, you guys do share our live stream because right now I can see a rise on our, stream. Because like before it's like 300 and right now it's like 300 or already jumped to 320 around. Okay, 212. Okay, 38 people to go. Come on, guys. R82. Okay, it's worth $299. Come on.
It's the first fully-in-one rotary attachment in the world.
Yeah, 218. 218.
Our cameraman is very excited as well.
220. Come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's hit 230. Okay.
All right, 6 people to join us. Come on, we're waiting for you.
Yeah, 2 more. Come on. Let's go. All right. You ready for the
woohoo? For the hurrah.
Woo!
Who is that?
Heidi Kingsland. Okay, Heidi Kingsland. Congratulations. Congratulations on winning the R82. I can't remember.
Yeah, okay. Kingsland. That's such a nice last name. Is that okay? Last name, yeah. Kingsland.
Okay, and also their profile is like a couple getting married. Like, I mean, look at that. Yeah, because I think R82 Pro really good for you. For not R82 Pro, I mean our P2 machine would be really good for you to make some home declaration.
Actually, I can show you this one. Yes.
What was that? Oh, yeah, like the wedding sign.
Wedding sign. Yeah, right. This. Give me a second.
We have these things right here as well.
Just
you mean
use
this one?
Yes, as well. Okay. So Yes. So you can just cut through some acrylic like this to make a white sign. Eve Villanelle, this is the main characters from Killing Eve, if you know this TV show, starred by Sandra Oh. And yes, welcome to our wedding. And you can write down the name and the time, the date, and make like a wooden stand to make a wedding sign. And you made this one for your wedding or for your friend's wedding, they will be really proud. So yeah, this is made by P2 machine, and the other laser machine, they can't really cut through or laser engrave on this kind of transparent acrylic. All right, so yes.
Yeah, exactly. And with our third rounds of acrylic, a project is we're actually going to cut some acrylic. Yes, and before that, we want to show you guys a video of the things that we had in here. Last night we did all the decoration. We were so happy about it. It was so beautiful, but all of a sudden it just dropped to the floor.
Yeah.
And we couldn't really fix it 20 minutes before the live stream.
So upset.
Maybe next time we'll try to do it again. And also our project manager is
really upset.
And let me just show you the video. Let's see.
Yeah,
how beautiful,
incredible.
right? That one is
It's literally shining. It's like kind of glass, but it's not glass. It's like plastic, but not plastic. But everything put them together, and it's so amazing.
And you can buy all this acrylic on our website right now, which is really actually on discount for $20. And you look at all this amazing product. I'm so sad it's not in our live stream room today.
It's right here.
It's right here. All the acrylic that we cut.
But it's full off.
Let's show them. In front, we have different type of, acrylic.
Just imagine.
Yeah, this is what we did last night. The hanging art for your home declaration. Look at all those different type of acrylic, right? The shining one, the transparent one, the light color, and also have this reflective, this kind of material as well.
Yeah.
And I'm just so sad it's not in our live stream room. Okay, but yeah, you guys saw the video. And also, if you guys want to check some cute video and funny video about our xTool, you can also follow, because we don't really use subscribe on our TikTok as well. Okay, so we have two, which is xTool official and xTool US. You can go ahead and check it out. We have some fun videos over there as well.
Yes, and how about we just do this amazing acrylic?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so last night we also cut through this, and so first of all, let's open the lid. We still have some excesses from the felt, but that's okay. And last night we cut it in here. I'm just gonna cut in here. So make sure the base plate is at the highest point, and we have a slot right here for you to hold the acrylic. And let's move to here a little bit. Maybe I want to make sure to cut on this side. And now let's close the lid. And let's go back to our software. Okay, so now let's choose this canvas 2 for this. And so first of all, you want to refresh it so you can really let you see where exactly you want to put your image. So let's select this, and then let's move to here, because last night I cut over there. And the thickness is 3 millimeters, and let's just double check the parameters. We run this at 100% power at 18 speed. Okay, and that's good. And now let's go ahead and hit process. It's just so easy for you to have, because you have a dual camera system, right? So it's so easy for you to see everything from our, software. So now let's go ahead and press the button right here. Make sure that we have the smoke purifier turned on and the exhausted fan. Right, let's go ahead. Ooh, this is the best part. I'll let you guys see it. Oh my God, I love this. It's already smelled?
Yeah,
but it's okay. There we go. Look at all this amazing. It's just cut through completely. What? Wow. I can't really smell it from here. It's probably from the back, right?
From the back.
Oh, okay, I can.
It's coming.
Yep, it's okay. You guys want to see the acrylic? Here we go. You have the acrylic. I'll let the team focus the whole process.
Oh.
Complete.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait a bit.
Yes.
Okay, now let's open it. There we go. Wow, you see how easy that was, right? I didn't even, make efforts to do that. And this is the beautiful clean cut. And also, we have talked about, we have air assist in it, right? Look at this beautiful acrylic cut in one pass by our amazing CO2 laser machine, which have the strongest power in the smart desktop laser machine, 55 watts. That's so beautiful. Now let's close it.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
All right, look at this amazing acrylic right here, right? And you can also get this acrylic on our website as well, because right now we have a spring sale site-wide on our website. So you can enjoy all the discounts, save up to $1,380 on our website. You can all the accessories, amazing P2 machine. No, except P2. Sorry about that. Amazing accessories and other, machines, and also our materials, right? And
we do have the material, because people ask us, do you sell this material? Yes.
So our xTool is a one-stop shopping for all your amazing accessories, laser machines, and all the materials.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
one-stop shopping for all the things that you want for your laser engraving and laser cutting process.
Yeah, you can also use the Mac, the iOS or the Mac software, the Mac version of the software as well. So our software also in the Windows, also in the Mac, the iOS. So don't worry about that. Yes, really fast. No glass cutting. We don't think we can cut through the glass.
But we actually have, engraved on a sphere. Last time we showed you in our using our R82 Pro, right?
Yes.
We have this right here.
Let me just show them.
We have engraved on this, right?
Yeah. I can't find the other one, but this one I can just give you this is like glass or crystal or whatever. Yeah. So you can see we just engrave some snow pattern or the deer pattern on it as well. So it's really fine result.
And actually the cutting ability for our P2 is we can cut through transparent acrylic in one pass for 20 millimeters acrylic, and also for the 18 millimeters. Last time we tested is the black walnut wood, solid and hardwood. So that is the cutting ability of P2. That's why we call it the strongest, smart desktop CO2 laser machine in the market. And also it's smart, and it has automatic pass-through, and we also have this engrave on curved surface engraving.
Yes.
And then we have the R82, which allows you to work on cylindrical products. So that's the amazing function about P2.
Yeah, and the spheres, we currently don't have this kind of like
a lot of people seem to want this, right?
But you can go to Amazon or whatever, you can just maybe purchase some cylindrical stuff right there, and to laser engrave it with our amazing P2.
And here comes our final round of Lucky Draw.
Lucky Draw, exactly. And the Lucky Draw, this is the biggest prize, the automatic conveyor feeder. So which is going to help you to automatically pass through your object to laser engrave our cut up to 3 meters. But this one is the basic one, so it's not like 3 meters, maybe like 1 meter, something like that. 39 inches. So 39 inches. So so if you want to have the longer one, please go to our website to check out the longer one.
I really like the sentence that we just got. So it's people are saying like xTool leads the laser capacity. Is that the word right there? Capability, I think.
Capability, yeah.
I think the word you're using. Thank you. Yeah,
thank you.
xTool likes to be a lot of like words first in so many accessory and laser machines, right? Okay, so you guys already get it right. Yeah, it's conveyor, right?
But some people type it really wrongly, because the word should be OR in the end. Okay, guys, it's the conveyor. It's OR, not the ER. Just make sure your word is
you type it right, so that's how our machine can pick you up, okay?
Okay. And this is so far this is the best software we can pick up for the Lucky Draw. I know some people are not really happy about this software, but we are trying to find a better one. If you know anyone, please let us know, okay? Okay, we have 311 people watching our live right now. Let's hit 300. Wow, so ambitious. 170. Let's just get 250. I like that word. Okay. My hair looks... conveyor, please. 205. Wow. Yeah, you do have to buy the P2 to match this conveyor. Yeah.
But yeah, we have amazing like interest-free plan for you to use right now. So obviously you can just get this machine at like $0, right? Because you can literally pay like $200 per month or $300 per month to get this amazing machine.
That's very little money. Yeah.
Yeah, for 243, 7 people to go.
Exactly.
246, 4 people to go. 来不及了. Okay, draw. Ready? Woo! Lakeshore 3D. Lakeshore 3D. Congratulations on winning the automatic conveyor feeder that worth $459.
Lakeshore, that's a very beautiful name.
Yeah.
So contact us on Facebook Messenger and to give us your information. We're gonna send this one to your home.
And let me remind you all those amazing things that is happening in our live stream room. Okay, you can go ahead.
Go ahead. So let's go ahead. The first one we're gonna still mention about this amazing P2 Laser Machine. So if you already paid deposit earlier, you can enjoy like $1,000 off. So the final payment you're gonna pay like $3,899, and this one gonna end 18th. So if you pass 18, you can't really enjoy this $1,000 off. So please remember to pay your final payment before 18th, all right? And if you're new here, if you're newbies, you didn't know this machine before, and now you're very interested to buy one, you can enjoy $800 off, so which the price is like $4,199. This is still the early bird price because afterwards we're probably gonna go back to the original price, which is like $4,900 off. Dollars. That's a lot of money. Yes.
And just to compare other CO2 laser machines in the world, it's gonna cost you. They have less power than us and don't have those many words first function than us. Right, but they
more expensive.
Yeah, they are costing like at least $5,000 to $6,000, US dollars. So this is a really good chance for you to, get this machine right now. Okay.
Some people say I want $4,000 off, Kai. Sorry, that was my mistake. If I was the boss, I'm gonna give it to you, but I'm not the boss.
So are you blaming Jason for that?
Jason.
Okay. All right. So we also have our interest-free plan as well. So if you buy between $150 towards $699, you can get 3 months interest rate. And if you buy between $700 towards $1,699, you can get 6 months interest rate. And if you buy over $1,700, you can get 18 months interest rate. And mind you, you can also use our interest-free plan, this affirm plan, on our P2 as well. Okay,
yes.
So you can pay as little as $200 or $300 per month, depending on the time period that you're choosing. So you can really just take this beautiful, amazing, elegant, smart desktop, strongest and everything. Yeah. Every word I can possibly think of about this machine home right now. For $200 and $300.
Yeah, we have to emphasize you have to be qualified for the front plan, right?
Yeah.
So you have to it depends on your score, credit score. So if you are qualified, you can enjoy interest free. So just go to our website. There's a button there. You can just click to see if you are qualified for this affirm plan.
Yeah, okay, so that's for our P2, right? So also we have our RA2 Pro for P2, which is also on sale right now, and you can enjoy $30 off to enjoy at $269.
Wow, and we also have this amazing all kinds of new acrylic. The price only $20. So just go ahead to check out the links, and you can just use a laser machine, like a P2 laser machine, to cast through some transparent or translucent or different kinds of acrylic.
Yeah, people are crazy about acrylic. We have so many types of acrylic on our website. Go ahead and check it out. And right now you can use the spring sale, discount on site-wide, right? You can enjoy all the, discount our machine, all the machines except P2, because we're already on huge discount right now.
Yeah.
And accessories and materials, so you can get a huge benefit from, because it only lasts for a week. And also for the same thing as the paying the final payment for, if you already paid the deposit before for our P2, you can enjoy the final payment of $3,899 until the 18th of April. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Twiggy actually hate the vinyl, not the acrylic.
No, it's like the word is my enemy. I don't hate acrylic on vinyl. It's just this word is my enemy. Okay, I can't spell it right.
Yeah, exactly. So that's pretty much every single special deal for today. And just remember to purchase the machines you want to enjoy. Grab the chance, the limited time to enjoy the discount. And what else I want to say? Anyway, so
what do you want to say? I don't know. I'm not in your brain.
Yeah, I'm not here. Yeah. And next week we're gonna also do the live stream about P2 as well, but we're gonna combine with our F1. So F1 and P2. Let's see.
Oh my God, that is fantastic.
That's very different, but the top laser machines are very special. They are the most special machines from our xTool. So we're gonna see what kind of project we're gonna make with our P2 and F1. So stay tuned to see the next week live stream, which is gonna on the 19th, I guess, next Wednesday, 6 p.m. So we're gonna be here to teach you make some amazing project to made with like this amazing P2 and F1.
And now see you guys on the next live stream. Ciao, ciao.
Yeah, see you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.